Hey, how's it going out there, guys? Thought I'd make a quick video on my waste oil barrel that I go get my oil in. I actually go to a car dealership, and they give me the oil free, so I just back my Jeep up in there, and they pump it right out of their drain tanks right into my barrel here through this top bung. Just right here. Fill it up there. And the way I know how full my barrel is the hose comes out the bottom, goes up the top. That's the level of the oil in my barrel. That's how I can tell how full I am when I'm filling it. Actually see down in there. But I thought I'd show how I do it for somebody out there that might be interested. Give them an idea how I do it, and maybe give you an idea how you can do it. It works really well. So what I'll do is I'll take the end of that hose and put it in my big tank. Hang it over the edge. It might take two hands. Open the valve there. Let me grab that clamp. This is my main barrel right here. See, my fill level in this one is right there. And then it goes down into my wood burner, oil burner now. But in case you haven't seen this before, I'll kind of go over it a little bit. That just goes up to the top of the barrel here, and then I've got this other bottom of a 55-gallon barrel that I cut about the bottom quarter off, I guess. And I've got another little drain in the bottom of that. Comes down there. Got a valve there, and what that does is it catches any water that may be in the oil, antifreeze, water, whatever. And then there's my filter bucket. And I've got other videos describing how this all works and how I made it. If you want to go to my channel and click on my playlists and find the playlists on my waste oil burner. But yeah, how that works is this top barrel is kind of on an angle, if you can see there, slightly, and that's at the bottom. And then in the middle of it, it drains into the top of that other barrel through that PVC pipe that's sitting there. That goes directly down into the bottom barrel. I don't know if you can see up in there. Yeah, if you right there on the left, you can see the tube that goes into this barrel. And on the bottom of that tube in my barrel, I've got it's called a hydraulic suction filter. It's a stainless steel filter that screws on the pipe. It's got pipe thread. I'll have to do a video on that maybe. But that catches any big stuff. But this filter here this is the way to go. I'm telling you, it's easy. You got to check my video out on that and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot with YouTube's new demonetization. I need all the help I can get right now. But back on track. So I got the valve open. I got this little spring clamp holding it there so it don't fall out. So back here in my main barrel, up on the top here, I made a little regulator. See how that works? Through the plug that was in there, put a piece of pipe through there, and get that to focus maybe a little better, and welded that piece of pipe on there. That pipe nipple, put it into a regulator, small regulator you can get at Harbor Freight or Home Depot. And then I run it They say these barrels are only good for 3 pounds, is what I've heard. And I run this regulator at about 2 pounds PSI. And it works fine, and you can turn it up and down, but I've got it all set, so screw that in there. And it don't have to be super tight for what I'm doing here. It probably won't leak anyway with 2 PSI. And then took my air compressor up to it. See if I can catch. I'm not gonna be able to catch it on video, but anyway, I'll plug that in and watch my pressure, make sure. In fact, I'll just turn it down a little bit. Get it to focus on there maybe for you. You can hear the air going in. I'll start right there. And she's a flowing. So yeah, on that's just an old t-shirt that I got in there that I sandwiched through a 5-gallon bucket. Like I said, I got other videos if you want to go check them out. But anyway, that's how I do it, and I'll just I can regulate it here how fast it goes through so I don't overfill my bucket, and I can do it with the air pressure as well. So I hope you like that setup. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Click the thumbs up button. If you don't, click the thumbs down button twice. Like, share, and subscribe. Could really use it with YouTube's demonetization program they're just putting up. I could really use the help. Okay, have a good one. Stay warm.